Morning students, class 7th, chemistry, chapter 2, part 10th. So we are continue with our examples of chemical change. Few more examples are there to understand. The boiling of an egg. So what happens when we boil the egg? When the egg is boiled, the liquids get hardened. Separately, the hard masses are different from the original thick liquids. It means that when we boil the egg, the liquid which is present in the egg get converted into a hard substance, and that hard substance is totally different from the liquid present in the egg before. So in this condition or in this change, there is a formation of a new substance. So we know that when the new substance form, there is a chemical change. So it is an example of a chemical change in which a new substance is formed, and this reaction we cannot able to reverse it. Next example, digestion of food. We know we eat the food and food get digest. So the food get changed into several other things. Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, we know that we get these things from the food. So this change also is a not reverse or not reversible change, or the change cannot be reversed. And in this change, new substance form. This reaction is also an example of a chemical change. Next, fermentation. In fermentation, sugar solution get convert or change to alcohol, and also carbon dioxide gas produced. So this fermentation is a reaction or a change in which sugar get converted into alcohol. We know that alcohol we cannot able to convert again into sugar. So this reaction is, or this change is, cannot be reversed, and new substance is formed in this reaction. Which is the new substance? Alcohol is the new substance formed by the sugar. So this is also a chemical change, and here the change cannot be reversed. Photosynthesis. Green plant prepare their food. In photosynthesis, new substance form, and green plant, when they prepare their food, they form the new substance, and their new substance is called glucose and oxygen, the product which is formed by the photosynthesis. And we know what is photosynthesis, that with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, green plant prepare their food by using water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and they prepare, and the thing what formed, or the new substance which formed, glucose and oxygen. So this glucose and oxygen is totally different from the water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. So this is the glucose and oxygen is the new product formed due to the photosynthesis.